Okay, we have a Ganesh hollow spindle engine lathe, model GT-3480. Machine was new in 2012. It has a 6.7-inch hole through the spindle. It actually can get 90 inches between centers. Machine has a taper turning attachment, and we're going to run it for you. Machine also has inch and metric threading capability. Right now we're running at a low RPM, which is 10. Machine goes up to 500 RPM. It's forward. Now we're going to run reverse. Forward and reverse. Okay. We're going to try a different speed. Machine has a wide bed, 22 inches wide. Now we're trying a higher RPM. All right. Forward and reverse, very quiet. Try another range. Okay. Now we're in the high range. Okay, going quite fast. Yep. That's the cross feed. Cross feed it reversed on the carriage. Power compound, where you can do taper through the power compound, but you also have a taper turning attachment. Cross feed again. And that's the longitudinal feed of the carriage. You want to slow it down to do the, and that longitudinal feed the other way. Let's slow it down to do threading. That's pretty fast for threading. Spindle brake. Okay, now we're going to thread. And we're threading. So you've seen in thread, you've seen in feed, you've seen all different spindle speeds. And last but not least, we are going to rapid. Rapid longitudinal, both ways. Rapid cross, both ways. So you've seen a rapid, feed, thread. You saw all different spindle speeds. Oh, and even rapid of the top slide. And then we just have the tailstock quilt. You have a heavy duty tailstock, number 6 Morse taper, with about 9.84 inches of travel. Very nice condition. And hey, I think you've seen it all. Thank you for watching our video.